Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to write a program which will measure the distance. So, you can see on the screen distance in centimeter. So, the object is far away from the sensor. Now, you can see even I am going to put a object near to this distance has been, you can see it is at 4 centimeter. As soon as I am going to increase the gap, it is going to identify how far away the object is from the sensor. So, to make this project, we need a ultrasound sensor. If you see the ultrasound sensor, this one, this is having 4 pins. If you can see it, so I think name is not, you can see it clearly. So, the pins are VCC, ground, trigger pin and echo pin. So, trigger pin of this device I have connected, I have said connected to the Arduino. So, Arduino to pin number 7. The echo pin of this ultrasound sensor to the pin number 8 of the Arduino board. You can see it here, this is the pin number 7 to the pin number 8, and these two wires are the supply VCC and ground for this ultrasound sensor. So, these two pins we have defined it here, trigger pin and echo pin in the program. So, we have taken two variables, one is for duration, another is for distance in centimeter. So, for working of this ultrasound sensor, what it does that we are giving the trigger pin. So, when we give the trigger pin, it generates these sound waves, it emits the sounds. Then if any object is there, then this sound wave is going to be get reflected and which is sensed by the another sensor, and based on that one which is known as echo pin, and based on that distance is calculated. So, we have defined pin mode, trigger pin is the output pin while echo pin is the input pin. So, since I want to display onto the serial monitor, that is why we have taken serial begin 9600 and this is the print command. Welcome to distance measuring device. Now, when we are coming to the loop, so first we are defining trigger pin to the low, wait for 2 microsecond, then trigger pin to send to high and wait for 10 microsecond. So, for 10 microsecond it is going to be high, then it will go to the low. So, only for 10 microsecond this trigger pin is going to be high. Now, the signal will be sensed. So, echo pin will sense the signal and it will calculate this duration. So, duration will come here. So, distance will be calculated, duration into 0.034 by 2. So, this when I am going to multiply this, then distance will be in centimeter. So, I have given to display this distance in centimeter and serial print ln distance centimeter, then delay for 1 second. So, again every 1 second this program will run in the loop and it will measure the distance. So, that thing you can see it here. So, you place the serial monitor will happen, it is coming. Now, it is showing the distance of the roof. So, if I am going to put it here, see distance, if I am going to bring more closer, distance is going to be reduced. So, you can see it here. So, as I am going to increase, the exact length is going to come here. See, if I am going to increase, see. So, by this way, this particular device you can measure the distance accurately up to 1.5 meters. Its range is higher, but it gives precise value up to 1.5 meter. Thank you.